Hello, welcome back. I'm Abhishek D'Silva, an undergraduate of the Jama Institute for Advanced Technology. Welcome back with the question series of Database Management System 1, and today I'm here with the question set number 50. In this question set 2, we're going to discuss the same question scenario that we had related to the database called MySQL DB, and then as the first question, after installing the operating system on the computer, the software was reinstalled. All previous data needs to be restored in the database. To do this, use the previously created MySQL DB backup file. Create the required restore query. So in the question number 49, we created a backup file called MySQL DB backup. So in this question number 50, we have to restore that backup. So then let's open the run by Windows plus R and then type cmd and click OK. And then we have opened the command prompt, and then at first let's select the SQL server. So then we can use the keyword called cd to mention that we need to go into this location. So then we can give the location of the SQL server as C in the C partition, and then in the program files, and then inside that in the MySQL folder, and then the MySQL server 8.0, and inside that we need to obtain the bin folder here, and then press enter. So at first we need to create empty database in Hades. So then let's first move to Hades and then click on the database management system and right click on it. So then through this create new, we can create a database, and let's create a database as MySQL DB restore, and then click OK. And then here we can see our new database, our new empty database have created by the MySQL DB restore. So then again let's move to command prompt, and then let's type as MySQL and then -u root, as we have the name as root, and then we can use the password here, and then the database name that we have created. We have created an empty database as MySQL DB restore, and then the less than sign, and inside the double quotation mark let's give the location of our backup file. So then we stored that in the C partition inside a folder called backup. So then we save the relevant backup by the name MySQL backup.sql. So then let's press enter. So then let's again move to HediSQL software and let's refresh this, and then here we can see in the MySQL DB restore database our backup file has restored. We can see when we move to data, we can see all the data has restored in the newly created database called MySQL DB restore. So then in the question number 50, we discuss about the restoring part of a backup file or the backup database. So then we have discussed 50 question sets related to the database management system. So then bye for today.